Hi! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this HONOR smartphone. First of all, you need to find Tools folder and tap on it. Then choose Recorder app and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on this right one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the middle one. Now you can rename your recording by holding it, selecting Rename at the bottom, typing in wherever you wish to, and clicking on OK. If you wish to play it, click on this little icon over here. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it, select Delete icon over here at the bottom, in the middle, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!